As you can see, on the CADDX camera I get, there are already interferences, even if the quad is not amped, only the battery is connected, and I get already interferences. I tried different batteries, also connecting the camera only to one directly to the battery, and different goggles, but it's always the same. This camera has some problem, and if I arm it, the interference are getting worse. You can see. And the OSD is also not working correctly. If you see two different MAC current scripts, but with another cam it's everything okay. So the quad is working okay. I connected the quad to a different cam and it's working perfectly, but this one has some problems, as you can see. As you can see, visually, and now is everything mixed up.